Yeah, sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Nkosinophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi unjoyine, thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, share a video as well. So ngibuye ngevideo ka boutique ukuthi uSibusiso Lawrence again bafethu bengipostile mangiqeda kuzwa ke story bengibona trenda udaba lwakhe nentombi yakhe ebe trenda nje kuthiwa ke uSibusiso useye wabulala intombi yakhe wabuye wenza ivideo beloki trenda leyo video on social media bafethu ngiye ngayilahlela on my last video angazi mhlambe zoba ngilahlele on this particular video since ngilahlele inegazi laphana ke guys when it comes to YouTube community guidelines. I think ngiyabona nje lawo ma videos engiwapostile lapho kubonakala ukuthi ebusweni unegazi nantontoni uYouTube akavumelani nawo yebo akhona but yeah something like that you guys ngoba vele kunemgomo nempandile when it comes to this platform awazi nje ukuposta into enegazi mhlambe into nje ezine you know zonke lezi zinto nje zingathi zinobungozi uYouTube akazivumi. So ke ngiyabona kunabantu ke mhlambe nami ngizoyenza njengabo ngiposte ikhona le ngathi i-black and white yabo. So leya ngoba la ku black and white igazi alibonakali kodwa ke le enye igazi liyabonakala of which ama videos wethu ke uYouTube uvele nje angawathandi, you know what I mean. So before mangiposta le video yaqala bafethu bengingakeze ukuthi uSibusiso akasekho emhlabeni mangilokhu ke ngifunda njalo you know ngiqhubeka on social media I can see ukuthi kuthiwa ke uSibusiso kushuthi emveni ukuthi a record le video esembulele le yasisi uye naye waye wazibulala bengigcine mina ukukhulunywa ngokuthi uyadingeka ama-boys asamfuna abantu belokhu bekhala bethi lo bhuda kaboshwe entontoni abanye bethi guys where is the death penalty, you know something like that bethi nje akaboshwe nje futhi nje amakangaphinde aphumele ngaphandle ngoba uyingozi emphakathini kuningi bekushiwa abantu kanti ke abantu besingazi ukuthi kusho ukuthi emveni kokuthi nje enzi njengoba kule video bonakala ngathi besendaweni esedlathini wherever it was there uSibusiso usukela phana wayosibulala kwayena nje bafethu ukuthi utholakale ngemthini somewhere. Okay, so kwazi kwakubi bafethu may both their souls rest in peace ngathi moya yabo babili ingaphumula bafethu safela othandweni kodwa mawezazi ukuthi ngu-Elson Mavuso kule channel hayi ngisacela ungiphumela abantu ngoba lo bhuda akakwazi nokukhuluma bafethu uthi lezi njalo khona ku channel yami yazi akakwazi nokukhuluma uthi mawufaka ivideo ufika nje azakhuluma into zakhe ziphumele ngale. So ngiyacela webhuda Mavuso, if you don't want to be on this channel please go ngoba sesilana yoga singabantu besifazane singabantu besilisa sisuke sikhuluma ngezinto ezenzekayo emphakathini ukuthi lo mphakathi wawo kuphi kanjani sisuke singagijimisi lokho thina. So wena mangabe uza on the platform to check who is who from where kanjani thina abanye asibheki because internet is internet, right? So sisuke sikhuluma nje ngeindaba ezitrendayo ezithinta umphakathi ezithinta abantu esiphila nabo njengoba abantu empilweni sihlangene sixubene omunye ngumZulu omunye ngumXhosa omunye ngomvenda omunye you know i-tribalism asinayo. So sebacela abantu abanjalo Nkosi yami nike nithi kusidedela kancane umuntu mengafuna ukuba khona ku video or ku channel uyaphuma nje ngesihle akho umuntu ophoqiwe ukuthi ba khona ku video akho umuntu ophoqiwe nje kukhona abantu abasuke befuna ukumamela istory ukuthi simayilana nani without being funny, without being tribalistic, without being you know konke nje lokho siyamcela ubhuti Mavuso asihambela bakithi. So Nkosi yami ngizubuhlungu kakhulu when it comes to what uSibusiso did to lentombazana. It's very sad. Ngingaze ngakhuluma kwenye video ngathi ngikhumbula ke lo abhuti waye Metro Cop guy kwayena kwakuthiwa wakwazi intombi yakhe wawuhlaba nje umense nalapha esifubeni wawuye kunjalo umntana abantu engasaphefumula umphefumulo sowuhlukene nenyama wathatha ifoni wa record video and posted it to their friends and family. Bengikhuluma ngaloko bafethu ibhlungu lento yenziwa obhuti bethu kanti kumuntu mangabe ubona umuntu udlala ngawo akakuthandi phuma kuyena. Nawe sisi bakhona abantu ade becomment abaningi bethi nathi omama sithanda imali kakhulu sisi sithanda imali sisuke siqoma abantu sibaqomela imali zabo usuke ufuna ukuthi okay umuntu akakondle nengane zakhe kungazone zakhe. Mbona abantu besilisa abanye bakhomenta kanjalo bafethu bakhala ngokuthi bayadlala labantu besimame ngoba uSibusiso on that particular video umenshine ukuthi abesimenze lokuningi usisi udlale ngaye emveni kokuthi uluze imali zakhe esenzela yena wamondla enganalutho. So imali zakhe mhlawumbe azisebenzisile kusisi nengane yakhe ntontontoni. So ingakho obhuda abaningi bekhomenta ngaleyo ndlela bethi bo mama nithanda imali nizofela emjolweni ntontontoni. Bakhona abantu abathi uSibusiso wrong, bakhona abantu uSibusiso right ngovelela abantu besimama bathanda imali ntontontoni. Awukwazi ukuthi umuntu angabulala umuntu bese uthi wena u right ngoba umuntu akadeserve awudeserve yazi angazi ngathini bafethu like you have no right ukuthi ungabulala omunye umuntu uthi ngoba udlalisa imali yami. bakhona abantu abaspenda imali ebantwini besifazana umuntu engayicela nokuyicela nje unalento yokuthi nje umuntu wami ngiyamnakekela. Okay, we understand. Bakhona abantu ukuthi vele ngiyayicela le mali ngiyayifuna ngiyayidemanda something like that bafethu, kodwa akusibo bonke abantu besifazana banjalo. There are so many women out here abantu bayasebenzela omunye nomunye uzezela imali yakhe, you know what I mean. So when it comes to this whole Sibusiso thing, asikhulumeni kahle bafethu. Omunye umntana selahlekelwe umphefumulo wakhe ukuthi usungafika kodwa ka conversation ukuthi ya vele abafazi bathanda imali ba right u right nje lokho akwenzile ibhuda ngimsole. Hayi bafethu kodwa singenza ngcono. So khona manje wenzile lento uSibusiso waqede naye wazibulala. So sekunzima nokukhuluma uzophawula uthi because before besiphawula sithi ayakaboshe ngempela imbi lento ayenzile ngoba wow, how can you analyze someone just like that. Kanti ke naloyo muntu kwayena nje akasekho emhlabeni uzibulela intombi yakhe wabuye wazibulala kwayena. So ngiyabona trend ke lapha bafethu kukhulunywa ukuthi some details have emerged, right, about the crime scene where Sibusiso Lawrence allegedly unalived his girlfriend. La ngithi unalived khona kubhale KILLED, but because of YouTube community guidelines, right? That's why sisebenza unalive, because leli nje lona langempela lithi KILLED uYouTube nalona into ezinjalo bafethu YouTube akazifuni. That's why nje kunale nkulumo ethi unalived. Ukhona umuntu okathi what kind of a title is that you are writing, what is unalived, because they don't understand ukuthi sisuke sizama ukuthi uYouTube angasishayi ngani, because guys like we said, okay. So bona babhale lelo gama mina mangifika kulelo gama ngiyothi unalived, okay. So uSibusiso allegedly unalived his girlfriend. He posted her lifeless body and other videos after her death. So umzinto police responded to the scene at a Beneva area, Malangeni, in the evening. The 25-year-old was found lying on a dirt road with gaping wounds to her throat, breast, wrist and left arm. She was only 25 bafowethu. Come on man, when at 25 bamthole nje umzimba wakhe nje ithe dindiliziyani lapha. A broken off knife handle was found near her body. So initial information suggests Sibusiso Lawrence picked her up at her home in his VW Polo and a domestic issue preceded the murder. Her body was dumped and the vehicle with blood inside was abandoned further down the road. Now, the South African Police Communications Team in KZN says it's still trying to confirm where the incident happened when asked about an arrest this morning. However, our sources have confirmed that the suspect is on the run. I think that is before they can confirm. Ubeloke sadingwa wasetholakala ke kuthiwa utholakale naye engasekho. So wow, I see she's trending bafethu nayo uyatrenda ke uSibusiso. Ayangazi bafethu ke kunzima makunjalo kushuthi ke ubulela intombi yakhe wabuye wazibulala. So bebebhale ngaye nakazi Moja. There's a story there they're talking about how this man unalived himself and also unalived his girlfriend and then unalived himself. Okay, ngizongicupha kancane, but a man who confessed to unaliving his girlfriend found hanging on a tree should utholakale elenge ngasemthini ke lapha. Sibusiso Lawrence committed suicide after allegedly unaliving his girlfriend. So udaba kaSibusiso bafethu angisazi ngiphawule ngithini wabe ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ukhona uyaphila usadingeka njengoba bebeshilo kodwa kuzwakala sengathi utholakele naye eshonile elengile nje lapho ngasesihlahleni akusakhulumeki bafethu ke angazi ke. Let us on the comment section, like video, subscribe, share ke. Engakusho nje ukuthi bobabili sengathi imoya yabo ingaphumula bafethu, uthando nje kuphela umjolo nje wona wodwa bafethu. Kodwa ke thank you so much, sizobonana ku video elandelayo. Bye.